Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5157P, 2016 Ford Transit T150 cargo van with 76K. It's another one of those ones that we recently got lots in. We've been selling lots of them and the feedback's been great. And just so nicely outfitted right out of the gate that you don't have to do anything to them other than throw decals on them when you get them. Again, we've got slat wall with removable blue bin storage there, some swivel hooks on the bulkhead. There's also shelving on both drivers and passenger side. Some removable little storage containers in here as well. So they've thought about everything and definitely have outfitted it accordingly. Up top, we've got the weather guard ladder rack, two extension ladders, one step ladder in the middle, and a conduit carrier. On the back, we've got backup camera as well as hitch. Nice solid floor back there, easy to get material and yourself in and out of the back of the van. There's also rear heat as well. So this one is your 130 wheelbase and low roof, so it is your standard size cargo van. These come with a 3.7 liter V6. This does have plenty of power for even lugging around little trailers, things like that. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. It's also a little laptop tray mounted there as well. So again, very, very nicely outfitted. Any sort of contracting company would definitely benefit from having a nice, clean, low-mile van like this. It's stock number 5157, 2016 Ford Transit Cargo.